What's going on, everybody? This is Phil from Millennial Money Gains, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we do have a little bit different one for you guys. We're going to be talking about some swing trades that we have set up, potential swing trades. So if you guys are hyped for this different type of video, please make sure you smash that like button. Also, if you want to join the family, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. I appreciate all of you that joined the family. But now, let's hop right into the video. First off, I do want to say, you guys need to know how to trade if you want to try to take these swing trades. These things could change in any minute that they are running. But I'm just going to point out a few that I am personally looking at. So the first one we have here is Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN. And the reason I'm looking at this one is because we have a nice double bottom here. The RSI is almost... it's getting to about fair value right now. But we have a strong resistance here, which you could tell hit 2 times. And then we're going to just go over a little bit. So we have a strong resistance that's been holding for a while. And support. So my thinking is, if we break this resistance, then I will take a position. And the reason I will take a position is for this gap right here. Right? So we have this gap right here. And I think that's going to fill. If we can break that resistance, I think this gap will fill. So let's say I set my alert here for about, I think I put it at 2400. I put it at like 2350. So if it breaks above that 2350 marker, I will take a position, and then this all the way to fill this gap, it's going to get to about $2,700. So right there, just for one share, if I'm buying shares or if I'm doing options, I'm not too sure yet, probably shares, but just for one share, that's going to be at least a $300 profit right there within probably a week time frame or so. So not too bad there. Amazon is the first one on my list. Next up on the list, we are going to go over here to FICO. So we have this one played out here, and this one we are looking at as a short, right? The reason I'm shorting this one, or I'm thinking about shorting this one, first, let's take a look at the RSI. Almost overbought, right? The support is down here, and I drew a resistance line up here. The reason I drew a resistance line up there is because this was an old support. Old support becomes new resistance once it breaks through. So resistance line goes right there, and look what we have here. This candle here is called the Hanging Man. It's a very bearish candle when it's on top of a bullish movement. So if this one was down here, then it would be a bullish candle. But once it's on the top like that, it's a very bearish candle. So this one, it looks like I'm probably going to be taking a short position pretty soon here. We're going to see what it does the next trading day. But let's say I get my position around the $400 mark. We have all the way down here to about the $340 mark as our support. So that's a $60 profit per share right there. Obviously, I don't know if I'm going to catch the whole move, but I think I can catch most of it. So we'll say I get a $50 profit per share right there, which is, to me, pretty decent. We have the MACD here. Oh, looks a little overextended. This one, I have no doubt in my mind this one is going to be coming down. But we got to stay tuned and watch. I'm not a financial advisor. Do not take this as financial advice. Next up, we have ULTA, ticker symbol ULTA. This one is also looking like a short. Look what we have up here. Same type of deal. Same candle. At a near resistance point, RSI is almost overbought, and we have that gap fill. This gap is going to get filled, I guarantee you. it gets filled. I'm going to wait to see what the next trading day does, but this one is another one I am looking to short. So let's say we take a position around the $420 mark. We have the gap fill all the way to about $381, which would be almost a $40 profit. That's just to fill the gap. The next support we have, it will be close to an $80 profit. So that is what I'm looking at ULTA there. Remember, gaps fill 99% of the time. There is that small chance that they don't get filled, but eventually gaps usually do get filled. That's ULTA. And the last one I'm looking at here is ATHM. This is Auto Home. And we got the same thing going on here. Remember, guys, this is I love shorting stuff, right? We have the same candle. That's a very telltale sign that this one is going to be coming down. And that a pretty decent resistance point. This one, I drew a support around the $24 mark. It's sitting at $34. It's about a $10 move. Our size is almost overbought. It's already overbought. MACD overextended. This one's going to be coming down. I guarantee it. These are the trades I'm looking at for next week. I'm going to be definitely watching to see how most of them play out during the next trading day. But I could be very well taking a position in all 4 of these plays. So to sum it up, we have Amazon, which will be a long position. We have FICO, which would be a short position. We have ULTA, which would be a short position. And we have Auto Home, which would be a short position. I love these types of short setups. You can make a lot of money on the way down. And I really do think that most of these will play out to what I think they're going to play out. Remember, we have a strong support here at the $24.50 mark here. So remember to always put a stop loss. I'll probably put my stop loss around the $30 mark because I do think this one's going to break a bit. So we're going to keep an eye out for that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you smash that like button. I really do appreciate it. If you want to join the family, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Let me know if you guys like these types of videos. I know I've been sticking with the dividends and the long-term stuff, but let me know if you like these types of swing trading videos or day trading videos. I'm definitely getting more into that, and I want to know if you guys like these types of videos, or should I just stick with the dividends? Let me know down in the comments, but those are my 4 swing trades that I'm looking at, and hopefully we make some money this week. Happy Memorial Day to all of you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.